So let's take a look at AUD USD for the next day. To those that are yet to subscribe, please do that. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, I mean, when we take a look at this AUD USD, we can see that there is a massive drop, right? So technically, if you have to look at it technically, we would be expecting kind of like a bullish move that will serve as a correction, right? That is on the technical aspect of it. But the thing is that we will be expecting a major news tomorrow. I mean, with those news, we will be expecting news from card. Let me actually show you if you check it. Major news from the USD, major news from the card, major news from GBP, major news from JPY. Basically, the first market is going to move crazy tomorrow. There is going to be a lot of volatility, coupled with the fact that I will be expecting a lot of liquidity. Probably once market is dropping, a lot of traders are actually saying, boom, price will actually rise up. I think a lot of liquidity will play out personally. So with the fact that tomorrow is even the last day of the week, right? As a professional trader, right, I would advise you that you should actually stay away from the market. Do not trade it. Just stay for the arms. But if I'm to predict this moment, which I very much likely I can be wrong, right? I can be wrong because the news can change the direction. I don't know what news is going to be coming out tomorrow, what the direction that the news is going to move this, right? I don't know, but technically, I feel there will be a bullish move or this AUD JPY, kind of like a correction, then one more drop will actually play out. So this is what I'm watching out for. But due to the news that will be playing out, I think we should stay away from this trade. So let's see what this 4-hour time frame is literally saying. So we can see that we've actually gotten to this level, key level, right? As you can see, we tap this level right here. The only thing that can change this direction is the news. It's either the news take this AUD USD up, but it's that it's dropped it down, and we don't know exactly what is going to come out tomorrow. So that is what I think will play out. Personally, I think they should go up. The one more drop, that is if it will play out that way. That is it. So to those that are interested in high probability trade, especially if you're having trouble in increasing your accounts, you always blame your accounts. Well, I have a solution for you for that. All you just have to do is become my Patreon subscriber. You will check the link in the comment section. Sign up to my Patreon channel. You'll get access to some of the exclusive trade that I'll be putting out there. Trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what I'll be putting out there. When you check my channel, you see one of those trades that we actually took today, which is NASDAQ 100. You'll be able to watch it and see. And also the trade that we've actually taken this week. I'm going to put a link to that trade in the comment section that we took this week, so you can go there and watch it. So if in case you are interested, become one of our subscribers, you get access to some of our exclusive trade.